Another great reminder of Windows 7 is the photo viewer, which was not actually integrated into Windows 10. And Windows 10 comes with its own photo viewer. But for users, I have received a lot of requests to make this video on how to integrate it from the Windows 7 to Windows 10. Now let's get started. About this picture, this image is that you can only open with just photos, which is the default image viewer for Windows 10. Now let's integrate it, and this is more like a patch for photo viewer to integrate it into Windows 10. So what you have to do is to right click on merge, and asks you to either run or to cancel, and with some other warnings. Click on run, yes, click yes again, and okay. We will see photo viewer have successfully added to the registry. Click OK, and now let's see the open with options that we have here. Open with, and boom, Windows photo viewer. We click on it, and you can view this just like you can in Windows 7. And you can zoom in, you see the zoom in, you zoom in, zoom out. And for some PCs, the default for Windows 10 photo viewer takes a whole lot of time to load up. So sometimes users prefer to integrate this photo viewer, which I believe has been of much help to them. But sometimes when doing some of these patches into the Windows 10 or Windows 11, you just have to be careful in case of virus. So like, share, and subscribe, guys, only on SoftSketch.